In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the camera view bigger in Blender. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you aren't satisfied with your current camera view in Blender, you will be able to adjust some options to make it bigger depending on your needs. So basically, you can use the mouse wheel up and mouse wheel down to zoom in or out in the viewport. So if you scroll the mouse wheel, you will be able to zoom in and out. With this out of the way, keep in mind that it doesn't change the camera's zoom or properties. It will otherwise make the camera square bigger or more zoomed in. If you wanted to make more of your specific thing visible to the camera, then you will need to change the camera focal length or move the camera further away from this specific object. You can also access the sidebar, so press N to open the sidebar and untick this option, Lock Camera to View. This will allow you to scroll the mouse wheel in the viewport to then change the camera view and essentially make it bigger. So open the sidebar by pressing N, go over to the View tab, and you will be able to find the Lock Camera to View option. By changing these options here, you will essentially be able to see more or less. And of course, like I mentioned before, you can also change the camera focal length and other options. This will customize the square that is visible for your camera, and you will then be able to use the mouse wheel to see more or less depending on how you configured the setting that I mentioned before. So once again, scrolling up or down will zoom in or out in the viewport. It's not going to change the camera's zoom and properties. If you wanted to make more of your object visible to the camera, change the focal length of the camera or move the camera further away depending on the specific and desired effect. I hope I was able to help you on how to make the camera view bigger in Blender. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.